Yesterday I created the mountains for in front of the wood tunnel. This is my first time carving mountains and I think I did pretty good. What I did is I had 6 different sections, so there's double here, just to give it more of a depth look, I guess. But I didn't raise them up too high because I want to be able to still see the houses when I stand farther back. After I carved them, I got looking at it and I thought it needed a little bit more. So I thought about painting them, but I really like the white look to it. And it's Snow Village, so I thought the mountains need to be white. Maybe next year I'll change it up, I don't know, just to give it a little bit more color. But so what I did is I took Snow Tex and put a little on, diluted it in water, and ran it all over the styrofoam so it gives it a little texture. I'm gonna step back so I can get an overall look on that. So I think it turned out pretty good. I like how it looks standing back. I have a couple spots that I need to fill right behind the granary, but I'm not done in that area, so I'm not too worried about it. And if I need to, I can always create another tall one to put in front of there, so it would be like 3 mountains. But I think it helped soften the edge of the box and gave it a little bit more something and fits in with the end tunnels. So that was yesterday's progress.